In the last decade or so, there's been a lot of increase in Asian immigration from Southeast Asia in particular. I think it's great that the US is such a diverse and amazing place and celebrates so many different cultures. It's really great to see Southeast Asian cuisine and the representation of those cultures in the restaurants and now in the grocery stores. I'm Michelle. I'm the founder of Homia. We're located in Brooklyn, New York. Homia is a Southeast Asian pantry. I make sauces from Malaysia, Singapore, and Indonesia. My grandmother, Noni, was a really famous cook back in Malaysia. And so when I moved to the US, I really missed the food from home, and that inspired me to start cooking for others. Eventually, this became a passion. I decided to launch this business. I think there aren't that many people who are super familiar with every corner of Southeast Asia. So Malaysia could be a really new thing for some folks. That's why I hired Philip, a freelancer on Fiverr. He's a food content videographer and photographer, and he's been doing this amazing content to expose people and teach them how to use what some people think are unusual products in an everyday setting. Hiring Philip was definitely a no-brainer. As a small business, it's hard for us to obviously have any kind of full-time staff or employees. Right now, I'm the only full-time employee. So people like Philip, who are masters and talented at what they do, are really core to growing small businesses like mine. I think my grandmother would be really excited about Homia and the fact that her recipes and flavors are halfway across the world. I've had the most amazing community response and feel that what I'm doing is not just me giving to the community, but the community gives so much back to me by supporting the products that I make